Hey guys, welcome back to the grind.
In today's video I'm going to take you through all the necessary steps that you need to take as a beginner to build the maximum amount of muscle mass in the shortest amount of time.
Let's get it!
So, step number 1, work out.
Chuki beat.
Probably thinking, yeah, no Sherlock, but just hear me out. As a beginner, I would recommend you do a full body workout, having a day's rest in between each workout. 1 exercise per body part, 3 sets, and a rep range of 10 to 15. You want to be having about a minute rest in between each individual set. Once you can do 15 reps of a certain weight, then you must increase that weight. This is so your muscles have to compensate for the extra resistance by growing in size and strength. So, that's step number 1. Let's head off to step number 2. Alright, step number 2, protein. Nutrition is so bloody important if you're wanting to build muscle. We've all heard that cliche saying, abs are made in the kitchen. Same goes for muscle. A basic meal plan for gains should consist of 5 to 6 meals per day. Protein intake should be spread evenly between each meal, totaling around 2 grams of protein per lean kg of your body weight. So that is your weight minus your body fat. If you're having 5 to 6 meals per day and you've got a high enough protein intake but you're still not gaining mass, then you'll have to increase your total daily calorie intake. If the calories you consume are more than you burn, then you're not going to put on size. Some examples of some protein you could have are protein powder. For a start, lovely easy way of getting enough protein into you, but you do not want to abuse and overuse the amount of protein powder you do use, because you also want to get natural sources of protein, so you don't want to just rely on protein powder. Then we also have tuna. Tuna, I know most of you will probably hate the taste of it, I know I do, but having this with 2 slices of bread as a meal, 2 cans, that totals up to about 40 grams of protein. And then we also have eggs. I like to have 4 eggs for breakfast with some toast. I take 2 of the yolks out, so just 4 egg whites and 2 yolks. That gets the job done. Also, you have chicken. Chicken, oh, love chicken. It's plain old chicken, going straight in my basket. Alright, next step. Step number 3, which a lot of teenagers lack at, is recovery. Let's head into it. Okay, so you've got your program, you're sticking to it. You're training consistently and getting a daily intake of calories. There's just one more really important step you need to keep in mind. Rest and recovery. If you're wanting to build the most amount of muscle mass you possibly can, you need to be getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Not only do you need to rest, you need to recover. You've been working out your muscles all week. You've been causing micro tears in your muscle fibers. And the protein that you've been eating has been filling in those tears, those gaps, to make the muscle bigger and stronger. That means 2 rest days per week. That gives enough time for your muscles to recover, for the protein to fill in those tears, and then you can go back at it after those 2 days. Just don't overwork your muscles. Don't. So, that's step number 3 done. Recovery and rest. Make sure you get it. But if you're interested in a program based for beginners and newbies coming to the gym, even I might make a home workout you can do. But I've linked a document down below in the description that you can follow. It's just a weekly program you can do. Do it for about 8 weeks, 12 weeks, see how it goes, and good luck. I'll see you in the next one. Keep grinding.